Hey everyone, this is Daniel. This is my video blog for June 17, 2009. The last 12 to 14 hours have been quite interesting, actually. Well, as you know, yesterday I made an optimized SeaMonkey build, and at that time I used a Mozilla 191 change set that was equivalent to a Firefox 3.5 release candidate 1, the second build candidate. Well, I found out later, of course, that that candidate build was declared final. So, for those that are using yesterday's optimized SeaMonkey build, the Mozilla 191 change set that's used is equivalent now to Firefox 3.5 release candidate 1. The more interesting thing begins after this. With this, rather. After getting all that settled and everything, I noticed that candidate builds for Firefox 3.5 release candidate 2 were made. The first candidate build. So I made a personal build, started testing it, was about to start to make my optimized build for today based from that code, and noticed a second candidate build became available for Firefox 3.5 release candidate 2. They had to do a respin, so there was a second candidate build. So, midnight Central Daylight Time, I respun my personal build, had a build hanged. It was an idiocy problem on my end. It was a PEBCAT error, in other words. Problem between me and the keyboard. Syntax issues. But, with the idiocy aside, I got that fixed. Got my personal build made around 3 o'clock. Started the, I'll go ahead. I call it public build because those are the optimized builds I release. I started the public build that was based from the second build candidate for Firefox 3.5 release candidate 2 around 6 a.m. And of course that problem with my personal build was sorted out before 3 o'clock, so I was able to get a personal build tested with the change set for the Mozilla 191 change set for Firefox 3.5 release candidate 2, build candidate 2, before I made the release build at 6 o'clock. So new optimized SeaMonkey build is up today. It is the Mozilla 191 change set it is based on is from Firefox 3.5 release candidate 2, build candidate 2. So basically I've been up all night keeping up with all the updates and stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty tired, but I figured I might as well go ahead and give you the updated version, because you know, what's the old version's really going to be worth? I mean, if you know a new one's available, why give you an old one when I can give you a more stable version? So that was my premises for being up all night testing and my personal build and compiling the build, today's build, to give to everybody. So yeah, new builds are available. Of course, you know where to get it. I posted an annotation in my last video entry of the update, I believe it's in blue, that tells what the updates and all are. It's been quite busy, honestly. I would have had these builds up earlier, but I had to go to New Albany with my mom. Luckily, a lot of weight's been lifted off my shoulders now, because her doctor said that basically they're going to wait 2 months, do another ultrasound, If anything changes, then that's when they'll go in and do something. Otherwise, it may be nothing more than just a benign tumor and whatnot. So, yeah, that lifted a lot of weight off my shoulders and stuff. So at least I don't have to worry about it all summer. Of course, I got a doctor's appointment of my own Monday, the 22nd, I think. And, of course, things ought to go fine there. Yeah, with all that being said, new optimized SeaMonkey build available today. The Mozilla change set it uses is based from Firefox 3.5 release candidate 2, the second build candidate, and that's the latest updates I have for right now. I am tired, worn out, but happy at the moment, and a cheers, and I will see you next time.